Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I got a few projects going. Figured I'd do a quick video showing some of them. This is one of the 24-inch fire pits. I'm kind of jumping around on several things like I usually do. Trying to keep a lot of stuff going at once. It seems to, in the long run, get it done faster. But here I'm just getting the side panels put on this fire pit. It's upside down right now. It's been a while since I've done some of these ones. This one's gonna have a little different look to it. Using the HTP Pro Pulse to get it all welded up. Got a couple smokers going at the same time. This is one of them. One of the 40x20 reverse flows. Just getting pipe put on the vertical chamber here. This one is getting close to done. It's almost done. Still got a few things to do to it and get the paint and everything done on it. Just getting the firebox door. I had one of these in the last video that I showed that was finished up. And this one is the same smoker, it just has a couple different things done to it. Here I'm getting the table on. Front table folds up and down. It doesn't have the side table. This one has the door on the side. And I'll come back with another video of this one to show it better. But anyway, just wanted to do a quick video to show what was going on, have an update on everything. I have a video coming on that fire pit. Video on a few other things. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And we'll see y'all on the next one. Also, if you're looking for a smoker or something, I'll leave my email in the description box. You can shoot me a message and I'll get back with you.